We've got a Dunlop Crybaby 535Q Wahwah pedal in the shop today. Client says it will not power on. So when the switch is bypassed, it passes signal through to the amp, but when you engage it, no sound. Opened it up. We've got a burned resistor right here that's part of the DC power supply. I was fortunate enough to get in contact with an engineer from Dunlop who was able to share with me the value, because I could not find a schematic for it, and the little code on these little tiny SMD resistors was no longer visible. So we're going to put in a 100 ohm quarter watt. All right, here it is. Working good now.